doing, and it's just gonna be random stuff like what everybody else is doing, just car related, you know. But I'll just cut straight to the chase and go straight about my car. This is a 2006 Evo 9 SE, so it's a 5-speed. It is a fully built motor minus the valves. Yeah, valves the only stock thing I have. Well, like the only stock performance thing that I have in the car. The bottom end, it's bored 20 over with Wiseco 9.5 to 1 HD pistons, Manley H-beam rods. Top end is GSE S2 cams with their Beehive springs and retainers. Fuel system's a 450 Walbro, and AEM fuel rail, AEM fuel pressure regulator, and I have FIC 2150 cc injectors. Turbo is a Force Performance black, the journal bearing one, mated with their FP race manifold, at least for the time being. I have a new manifold being fabricated for me right now. Should be about another 3 weeks or so. I should have it. It's going to be a top mount tubular manifold, and I'm gonna have a 3.5 inch hood dump, and then my wastegate will be hood dump too, which is a 38 mil tile. So I'll just be loud and obnoxious and slow as shit at that point, but whatever, it'll look cool for them scene points. Intercooler is custom made, Doghouse Performance. It's a 4.5 inch core with some monster ass end tanks. Clutch is a Exidy twin disc, and I think that's it. Oh, and it's plastic. My whole car's plasti dipped, so that's like an extra like 50 horsepower. But it's tuned by Chad Block at CBRD in York, PA. On their Mustang dyno on E85, I made 504 at 29 PSI. And right now I'm on a 93 map. It's pretty much just a base map. I've kind of been like tinkering with it a little bit here and there, but it's about 460-ish wheel. So I mean, it's a big difference. It's crazy what just E85 can do. But that's my car. I mean, you guys get more pictures and videos of it from the outside later. Mainly this channel is going to be just car guys, us car friends, just hanging out, doing stuff. Hopefully I can get a lot of track time this year. Hopefully I can get videos of other buddies going to the tracks, or other friends going to the track. Mainly going to be just drag strip stuff. That's pretty much all we, besides Mexico, that's all we do. I'm not really big into the autocross thing. Definitely with the laggy ass turbo that I have, there's literally no point in me autocrossing when I'm full boost at 4,700 RPM. But like I said, it's just gonna be random stuff. I'll introduce you guys to everybody else later, like throughout the time, and you'll be able to see their cars and see what they're up to. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more Mexico shit and just random stuff.